The anatomy of a circular saw. The circular saw has two handles. The rear handle houses the trigger, and the front handle adds support and stability. The blade guard system has an upper blade guard, a lower blade guard, and a lower blade lever. The lower blade lever manually retreats the lower blade guard and exposes the blade. The lower blade guard retreats automatically when making a cut. The blade guard mechanism is there to safeguard the blade and to protect you. The foot plate rests on the surface of the object being cut and helps to keep the saw level. The markings in the front side of the foot plate enable you to guide the saw along the cutting line. This notch on the plate indicates the position of the blade. The adjacent notch indicates the position on the blade when making bevel cuts. The bevel adjustment lever enables the saw to be adjusted to an angle for making bevel cuts. With this specific model, bevel cuts can be made between 0 to 57 degrees. Use the depth adjustment lever to adjust the desired depth of the blade. Make sure that the blade is about 1/8 of an inch over the thickness of the material before making a cut. If you like this video and need help creating an explainer video for your product or services, email us at the link in the description below.